Hope you are guys are fine and taking good care of yourself and your preparation for the engineering services prelims paper 1 is going good. And why not? I hope you guys are following our ESE free crash course series for paper 1 that we have started from 5th of May onwards. My dear students, today in this short video, I will be telling you the syllabus, important topics and the preparation strategy for the subject of basics of energy environment, which I am teaching for this particular free crash course series. My dear students, this video will be hardly for 10 minutes. In that 10 minutes, I will be telling you the syllabus, important topics and preparation strategy. So let's begin the session. Okay. So my dear student, this is a small introduction about me. I'm Vikas Padodia. I have 5+ year teaching experience. I did my MTech in thermal engineering from Thapa University. Mentored more than 10,000 plus aspirants for different exams like GATE, engineering services, SSCG exams. My area of expertise includes subjects of fluid mechanics, thermal applied and heat transfer. So that is all about me. Let's talk about the syllabus of this particular subject of basics of energy environment for engineering services prelims paper 1. So in the syllabus, they have mentioned that the topics which are written, that these are the topics which have been written in the syllabus. They have not particularly given the syllabus, but the topics have been given like conservation they have written, environmental pollution and degradation, climate change and environmental impact assessment. So these are the topics which have been mentioned as these in the syllabus of the basics of energy environment subject. But now I will be giving you the in these particular chapters what topics can come in the exam from these topics. Okay, so let's see that. If we talk about the important topics from the first one, that is conservation. In the conservation, basically because the name of the subject is energy and environment. So in this particular basically subject, from the topic of conservation, you have to study different types of energy. It is renewable and non-renewable energy. Okay. Also, you'll be studying about conventional and non-conventional energies like hydrogen energy and solar energy, wind energy, biomass energy, and shale gas, syngas, coal bed methane gas, different other types of renewable and non-renewable energies that we are going to study here. So we'll be studying about solar energy, solar, wind, and biomass. So these are the important one. Hydrogen fuel cell, and here we also have to study the syngas, shale gas. Okay, so that is all in this particular topic. Then along with the, because the topic is conservation, so you have to study both energy conservation and environment conservation. Both we have to study here. In the energy conservation, we have to study different types of energy conservation methods adopted by the government, okay, for conserving the energy, right? Energy basically means electricity. If we talk about energy, we are talking about the electrical energy. So how can we conserve the energy? So there are different types of act, that is in Energy Conservation Act we will be studying about here, okay. So we'll be studying about Energy Conservation Act, we'll be studying about LEED, Griha. So these things are important here from this energy conservation. If we talk about the environment, you have to study ecology, ecosystem, biodiversity. These two lectures I have already taken. If you have noticed that in this free crash course series going on, already these two topics have been covered. Energy conservation and environment conservation, this is the third topic which will be covered on 7th of May. Okay. So my dear student, this environment conservation, in this you have to study about different types of different methods adopted for conservation of the environment. When we talk about the environment, we talk about the basically plants, animals, because human don't need to be conserved. Human can take good care of themselves, but especially the animals and plants. People cut down the trees. Basically, their animals are also basically killed for some reasons of, we can say, skin and other reasons. So definitely we have to conserve the environment. That means conserve the plants, animals, and other things. So this we have to study here in environment conservation. Environmental pollution and degradation, this is also a very important topic. In that topic, air pollution, water pollution, noise pollution, soil pollution, solid waste management, and convention on pollution control. These all topics comes under the environmental pollution and degradation topic. Okay. If we talk about the climate change, in the climate change topic, on one more thing, in the air pollution, you have to study some topic like acid rain, and you have to study about the photochemical smog, One question have already come in the exam from the topic of acid rain, already came in the ESE exam. Photochemical smog, smog, only smog, that is all important. Water pollution, Minamata Convention, okay, Minamata Convention, Basel Convention, this is important, and there are different other conventions that you have to study here in pollution control. Okay, that is why I have written convention for pollution control. Climate change is another important topic, and that is lot of question you can expect from this topic, because in climate change you have to study greenhouse gases like carbon dioxide and chlorofluorocarbons, sulfur hexafluoride, and nitrogen oxides. Okay, so these are different types of greenhouse gases we have to study here. Global warming is also very important because it is a current topic. These two are very current topics. Along with that, ozone layer depletion. These three topics are very important. Convention of climate change, different types of protocol, especially the Kyoto Protocol. Okay, Kyoto Protocol is important, and Montreal Protocol is important. Okay, there are different types of protocol, different types of summit, which are important here. That is conventions on COP. COP stand for Convention on Parties. So different types of COP we have to summit. Rio Summit we have to study here. Earth Summit, Rio Summit. So that is all we have to study in this climate change. Okay. So convention on climate, and don't worry, in our free crash course series, I will be covering all these topics. Okay. Here in this short video, I just want to let you know that what are the important topics from this particular subject. Environmental impact assessment is a very small topic, very few basic details about these topics are sufficient enough. Basic details about EIA. What is environmental impact assessment? And this environmental impact assessment, why we need environmental impact assessment or EIA, that is all very basic question can come in the exam. Okay, let's talk about the strategy for the subject of basics of energy environment. If we talk about the strategy, in the strategic point of view, this particular subject, I would say one thing, that this subject is theory and numerical. It is combination of both the things. Numerical can also come in the exam. Already they have come in the exam. I think we can say in last 4 years, 2 or 3 numerical came in the exam, and numerical we can say 20 to 25%. Maximum it will be 20-25%, but mostly it is 75 to 80% is theory part. Okay, theory questions are very important. For that, I would suggest that you should go through the revision of basic concept. Revision of all the topics. All the topics are important because you don't know, it is a theoretical subject. Mostly it will be theory questions. So you have to do the revision of all the topics mentioned in last slide. In previous slide, I have mentioned few topics, right? Previous slides. So whatever topics I have mentioned in the previous slide, you have to go through all those topics and you have to do the revision of that. Okay. It will be better if you make short notes of these topics and you have a regular revision, not just revision, regular revision of all the topics is important. Okay. And for numerical part, it is nothing but few important formulas. Make short notes of important formula. Make short notes of important formulas. There are some important formulas from like biological oxygen demand. Okay. And how to calculate the volume of biogas produced, how to calculate the power of the biodigester. So that is very simple formulas. Another strategy, I would say that if you really have to understand the type of question or the level of the subject, then go through the previous year papers from 2017 to 2020. Although I will be taking all the previous year questions in your free crash course series. I will take all the previous year questions. Okay, I will take all previous year questions, so you don't have to worry about this questions in free crash course series. I will take all that. We'll discuss that in the class. So in the free crash course series going on YouTube channel, I will take all the questions from 17 to 20 for this subject of basics of energy environment. And from the previous year question, you will understand that what topics or from what topics the question have been asked in the exam and what kind of question have been asked in the exam. So this will definitely give you an idea about that. Studying the basics, this is very, very important. If you have not studied the basics yet, don't worry, still a lot of time is left. Even if you go through all the classes of the free crash course series, that is sufficient enough. That is more than sufficient. Short notes, this is very, very important. Whether you have not studied before or you have already studied before, but you have to go through the short notes of every topics. Okay, you have to make short notes of every subject, not just my this subject of basics of energy environment which I am teaching, but you have to make short notes of all the subject. These notes reduce the revision time to almost half. You will realize that 1 week before the exam when you will be doing the revision. So these short notes are definitely going to help you. These short notes are definitely going to help you in your revision time. Your revision time will be reduced to half or 1/4 if you have got short notes and do regular revision of that. Even if you have completed the subject, particular subject, do regular revision of short notes. And mock test finally. See, mock test, I would personally recommend that for this particular subject of paper 1. Not just my subject, for any subject of paper 1 except mathematics and aptitude. If you are giving the mock test and you are not able to catch up the or get good marks, I would say don't need to get demotivated. Just make sure that when you are giving the mock test, the topics from which question have been asked, just make sure that those topics you have already covered, okay, and just solve all the questions in the mock test. Whether you are getting good marks or not, just go through all the questions. So mock test will help you to get some new questions from particular topic. Okay, so don't get demotivated with the marks because marks are not important here for this paper 1 except aptitude and mathematics. Just go through the questions and make sure that you have covered all the topics given in the syllabus. Okay, so that is a simple strategy. And one more thing, that please stay positive also, because it is right now it's very, in these 2 months which are there before the exam, already we are fighting, the whole world is fighting with COVID, and especially India right now the number of cases are very have increased. So I would say that stay positive, stay calm, and do your preparation, take full precaution. That is what I would say. Okay, one more thing in the end, I would say that free crash course series on basics of energy environment is right now going on. We'll be providing the free crash course series for all the other subjects also for paper 1. Right now this subject is going basics of energy environment. These 2 topics have already been taken. I have already taken them, and these 4 topics are still left to be covered. So please follow our free crash course series. It is absolutely free on Gate Grade Up YouTube channel, on the same YouTube channel on which you are right now watching this video. The timing of these classes will be 11:30 a.m. in the morning. So please follow our classes and make your preparation better for engineering services paper 1 for this particular subject. Okay, so thank you so much. I'll see you on 7th of May at 11:30 a.m. for the topic of energy conservation and environment conservation. Thank you so much. Take care, and please do not forget to like and share the session. Thank you so much. Thank you everyone.